The bench press is fundamentally a strength exercise for the upper body pushing muscles, so the chest and triceps and the shoulders to some degree. In the home situation, you can use a barbell if you've got one, you can use dumbbells, use whatever you can. You need to have a fair amount of weight depending on how strong you are. Will depend obviously on what sort of equipment you need. But if you have some dumbbells, then that's ideal. Barbell, if you've got it, then that's perfectly acceptable as well. So to figure out how far apart your hands should be on the bar when you're doing the bench press, then you can do a fun little experiment. Just go up onto your knees and then fall forwards. So where your hands land is probably about right for where you need to have your hands on the bar. So the distance apart, for me, it is that far apart. So from my fingers to my fingertips to my elbow is about where I need to be. So the bench press looks like this. So you find the position where your hands were in that test, put that in the bar, so you can measure it out if you like. And then from there you're going to engage your shoulders, so squeeze the shoulders back behind you, engage the butt, push the bar up to vertical. In this position, you're going to break the bar, so trying to twist the bar, which will engage your rotator cuff. Then slowly lower it down to nipple height, and then squeeze back up under control. Lower down, 2, 3, 4, and press back up. Down, 2, 3, 4, and press back up. Always engaging the shoulders behind you, and then obviously pressing the bar away from you on the way up. That's the bench press.